So, what do you need to know to get started in Power BI? Well, to get started with Power BI, it is crucial to understand the Power BI workflow. Think of the workflow as your roadmap. So with this roadmap, you have a clear starting point and a well-defined destination. So this structured approach will guide you through the process and ensure you know exactly where you are heading at each step. Let's quickly go through each step. Let's start with the planning phase, which is fundamental to a successful Power BI project. So first, we need to consider our data source. So this step involves identifying where our data is coming from, understanding its structure, and assessing its quality. It's crucial to ensure that the data is relevant and reliable for our analysis. Next, we move on to the planning and designing our star schema model. So this involves organizing our data into our star schema. I did a couple of videos on that, so I'll put all the links below. The next step involves creating our Power BI report in Power BI Desktop. Power BI Desktop is a free application that you can download and install on your computer. All the relevant links will be in the video description below, so please check them out. So in Power BI Desktop, there are 5 main steps to creating your report. Firstly, you get your data. So you import the data from your identified data sources. Next, you transform your data in Power Query. So in Power Query, you clean and shape your data to ensure it is ready for analysis. Next, you model your data by applying the star schema model that you designed in the planning phase. Next, or the 4th step, is you create your calculations or your measures. So you develop the calculations or indicators you want to analyze in your report. And this involves using DAX. And finally, you create your report pages and you add visuals. And this is the visualization phase, which completes your report. So once you're happy with your report in Power BI Desktop, you can publish it to Power BI's online platform. On that, you can share your report with others as well. And that completes our short video on what you need to know to get started in Power BI. So by following these steps, you'll be well on your way to creating insightful and impactful reports in Power BI. Remember, the key to success in Power BI is thorough planning and understanding of your data. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, give this video a thumbs up, comment, and I'll talk to you all in the next one.